True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today my location is in Manchester, 78 Manchester Road, Mandeville, right across from the tire warehouse. So take a tour with your tour guide Fire Reid. Yeah man, so up on Manchester Road. So I go up on Manchester Road, sometimes we all need to know how Mandeville set up. You just can't just know one place alone when you come to Jamaica, you know. You have to know the areas them, how it's set up. So we're up on Manchester Road. Yeah man, so showing you I go up on 78 Manchester Road. So here, so them call here, so the lane area. Yeah, so I don't have no farm store, Nutrimix, sold here, lane farm supply. Let's farm together, let's grow Jamaica. Yeah man, we all need to grow Jamaica. What you mean? Some enough people don't want to grow them own crops. Sometimes it's best to go the organic way. Yeah man. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from here and abroad again. And just want to take the time out to tell you all special thanks, because if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be going. So thank you all for stopping by. Yeah man, thank you all man. One love and one heart. Love the support. When you come to Mandeville, you have to tour them places, you know. Them area, we have to know them area very well. So I'm gonna make the left turn. If you go straight ahead, I will take you all to Mandeville town area. Yeah man, so we make a left turn, we'll take you all to Grove Lane. Yeah man, so them place you call them place Grove Lane. Yeah man, so don't know the area, know how we have some lot of different turn off in Mandeville. So them place you call it Grove Lane. Know a lot of people don't now take the time out for showing how I go on. Them now want to try showing now the town areas, them now turn off of the street them for showing what it look like off the main. So them place them call it Grove Lane. Very very close to the town area. Yeah man, so on the right side you have a cemetery over there. So you know, if you're buying a piece of property, if you see it online saying Grove Lane, you know, see your encounter, you have a cemetery on your right side. So you need to know. Sometimes a lot of people overseas sit on a buy land in Jamaica. Them see it online and never get the chance. Them just buy the land and never get to tour the location before you buy it. But my advice is, when you see something online, at least you have an understanding where the location is. But you all need to take a tour to that location in person, because some of the times, you know, sometimes we see things online, you don't get the true color of the location. So always check out your property, go to the location, then you can make your decision. So remember now, I am in the Grove Lane in Mandeville, Manchester. Just giving a sneak peek while I go on. See where them building up some apartment in this area, like it will up for rental, but also in this area of the Macintosh daycare. Yeah man, so you have a daycare right in this area also, right in front of the cemetery. So in this area it's about 4 minutes drive to the town area, and also maybe 6 to 7 minutes drive to the hospital. Depends on the traffic. Wow. Just jumping on a patrol a while ago, I tell you, say, jerk up my heart. You know, man, the patrol them, you know. So I'm going back on the main road, which would be Grove Road. So I'm gonna make the left turn, will take you out to the Mega Mart area, which is this the road I'm on right now. It's gonna take you all onto Grove Road. On your right, you have the Grove Terrace. On your left, you have the Grove. so you see few street in Mandeville, you can see where you have a lot of signs. Yeah, in some place in Jamaica you know, see no sign like that. And sometimes the GPS will never take you to your right destination 100%. So I take a view up into Grove Heights. Yeah man, we are going to Grove Heights, and so we are going to Grove Heights. This is my first time here in Grove Heights, so I want to see what I'm going up there, see what we will see how that area is set up in Grove Heights. Yeah man, this you call them Grove Heights. Look up on the hill there. What a nice house on the hill. What a view. That would be a very nice view over in the Mega Mart area in Mandeville. Very nice view. So leave in the comment section, let me know where you're watching from. Yeah man, just leave in the comment section. Jamaica nice, you know. And also the weather condition is, as you can see, it's very sunny. But we having, from the other day, getting a lot of rain. Yeah man, a lot of rain. So you know the farmers them supposed to smile now, because they getting a lot of rain on their crops, and also not all the times too much rain is good for the crops. Trust me, if you come up right here, you would see this beautiful view. Very beautiful. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.